Meet Richard, a busy shop owner living in Orange County, CA. The beautiful marble floors of his shop lost their shine due to the footfalls of people. Last month, Richard reached out to Titan's Natural Stone Restoration. Experts of this renowned company worked diligently with modern equipment and techniques. With top-notch polishing and sealing services, they restored the marble floor of Richard's shop. Now, Richard has become a loyal customer of Titan's Natural Stone Restoration. Like Richard, do you want to avail the services of this natural stone restoration company in Orange County, CA? Call 866-686-1637 or visit www.titansrestore.com to book an appointment.